Good day everyone. It's October 29th and 2 days before October ends. Ito na. Look at the place. It's really messy. But look at the roses. There's still some blooming roses in my garden. The rosemary seems to survive. And then the dahlias and the hostas. Look at this, the white rose. It's still there. Medyo madumi. And a lot of things to clean. Ito yung deck namin. Dati, beautiful deck. Ngayon, too dirty. Too messy. But look at the flowers, no? For the first time, yung aming nabibiling mga hanging plants, patuloy na namumulaklak. Kasi nga kinakat Yun yata yung istorya nun. Dapat kinakat mo. Oh, what happened to this? So, ito, binibisita ko ang aking pergola. Still looking good. Yan. So, paglilinis ako ngayon so that medyo mabawasan ng mess dito sa likod. So, kita nyo, yun yung garden namin. Tinakpan ko na yung swing. And, but the roses, look at the roses. Yung paborito kong rose, nandiyan pa rin. Oh, still blooming. Look at this. Oh, continue ang pag-bloom niya. Thank you, Lord, for this. Even the rose, siguro I still have to cut some. Oh, ito na. Ganda, diba? So, ganyan talaga dito pagka naasikaso mo, patuloy silang nag-bloom. Thank you, Lord. Kasi wow, yung aking creeping yellow Jenny ata ang tawag dyan, oh. Buhay pa rin, nakakatuwa. Tsaka yung ice plant ko, yun. At saka yung bromeliads. Ayun, ang bromeliads continues to grow. Look at this, oh. Yung bromeliads ko, ang ganda pa rin. Nag-survive siya kahit very cold ang weather. Thank you, Lord. Okay, so, maglilinis ako ngayon and then medyo masakit pa rin yung tiyan ko, but I have to start moving kasi or else dadami to ng dadami. So, ito lang for now. I'll Lucas again from Langley, BC. Thank you for viewing. I just wanted to document yung mga ginagawa ng isang retiree dito sa Langley, BC katulad ko. So, bye for now. Thank you.